Hi guys, it's Miss Dixon, and I wanted to go over a couple things for this week, week 5. I hope you guys are doing really, really well. I think about you all every day. I miss you guys. I want to stress that um, to take this as seriously as possible, even though, you know, it's kind of crazy. I have my radio on and I need to turn it off. Even though things are kind of crazy, you know, do everything that you can to the best of your ability. I am going to be watching and looking at your journals, and that is part of your weekly grade. Um, so make sure that you do write, you keep up with that. So this is due, it's Friday the 24th. Friday the 24th is also a holiday. Um, it would have been Fiesta, and they decided just to keep it as a school holiday, even though we don't have Battle of Flowers Day this year. So anyway, so technically the weekend's on Thursday, the 24th, but I won't check anything until the weekend um, that you turn it in. This story, this chapter is a little bit longer. It's How to Tell a True War Story. I go ahead and just plunge on through. You can do it. Um, the journal entry for week 5, you can see right here, is How to Tell a True War Story. Just tell me a story, any story. We're going to do different things with it. The last 2 weeks of the school year, you guys are going to be writing your own story. So we'll take it step by step, but any old story that has a beginning, a middle, and an end. Okay. You can also write about our current situation. I put here the COVID-19 situation is not fair in many ways, but sometimes good things can come out of scary and weird situations. Write about some silver linings that you see coming out of all this. Okay. So, and again, I'm going to go ahead and be looking at it. What I'm showing you guys is, or have on the screen, is your agenda that you have in front of you. Discussion questions. There's a handful of discussion questions. Go ahead and just write down a few sentences about in answer to them and move it on. Then lastly, there is a critical writing paragraph. Um, and I would like to, there'll be a second part to this where I go over that specifically, but there is 2 words that I want to go over with you. One is obscenity. You guys know things that are obscene, okay? Things that are dirty, that are bad. Things like saying, certain words, certain curse words that you shouldn't be saying. That would be obscenity. Then there is another word that means goodness and things that you do that are, honorable. And so the second part of this video will be when I go over that with you. Okay, you guys, if you have any questions, Wednesday, I'll have an hour Zoom. You can come in anytime during that hour from 1 to 2 and check in with me, ask questions, say hello, chat, whatever you want to do. Okay, take care, and I will upload this and then do the second part. Thanks so much, guys. Take care.